Monica. So I haven't done 5-minute eyes for a while, so I thought I do it today because I've got like a new favorite everyday look. Let me just clip my hair out of the way with these pretty flowers. Okay, I will list everything else that I'm wearing down below. So first of all, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in Jean. I'm going to take Blank Canvas Cosmetics E01 brush. It's like a fluffy brush, and you just need tiny bit of it. It is a little, goes a long way. I love it. You can use your fingers as well to use it. Now you can leave it like this because once it dries, it's dry, but you can also top it up with something. I might do that later. Then on Blank Canvas Cosmetics E42, I'm going to take my new MAC Faux or Hoax eyeshadow, which I absolutely love. And I'm just going with the point of that brush, go just in my crease and above. I will need to do the 5-minute eyes with Tom Ford because I was wearing this very simple makeup in one of my videos and you all liked it. Basically it's done the same way I'm doing this. I'm going to put the same eyeshadow under my eye on my lower lash line. This brush is too big, but I didn't bring a smaller one, so. And clock is ticking, 5 minutes. And now I usually leave it like this, just put the mascara on and go. But if you want it to be a bit extra, I will top my the Charlotte Tilbury with Makeup Geek Starry Eye, especially in the middle, so it gives me that extra shine. You know me and shine. Shine, shine, shine. And then on Makeup Geek shading brush, no, Real Techniques shading brush, I'm gonna use Makeup Geek Cherry Cola. And I'm just going to shade the outer 7. I've been wearing this look almost every day lately. It is on a cooler side, obviously, so if you don't like cool looks or don't suit cool looks, you might not like that, but you can use the same technique with warm shadows, which I do a lot. You know, I wear warm shadows too. Might put a bit of it on the outer lower lash line. And then with Blank Canvas Cosmetics E41, I'm just going to blend it. This is not very good for blending, but that's what I brought, so that's what I have to put up with. And that's it. Now I'm going to put a little liner on, and I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury eye powder pencil in, it's the classic eye pencil in Audrey, I'm sure. I hate that when she doesn't put their names on the actual pencil. There's no name on it, so unless you keep the box you wouldn't know. The classic eye powder pencil, but I know it's Audrey. And as usual, I'm just gonna put it on my upper lash line wing it a bit. It's just to add a bit of shadow. It's not very, I might put a tiny bit of it, scrub it in my lower lash line. And now mascara by Terry, 2-in-1 mascara lash expert twist brush. And I've shown you this mascara, so I twist it first. And then I untwist it and go over with it like this. And that's the finished look. So you can definitely do this one in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.